habitual sodium suffocation. Oh God, that sounds terrible. Yeah, just the sodium intake. Oh God, why did I have to take it there? That got dark. Hey, it's Charles Chudabala. I'm an indie actor, and this is vlog 5 of 30. And I want to talk about productivity right now because I am feeling non-productive. Have you ever felt non-productive? I am a little bit, by the way, I just woke up from a nap right now. And so this is all coming to me fresh. I'm using words right now. Yeah, I'm a day napper. Speaking of being non-productive, I feel like I just wasted my afternoon by taking a nap, but I was so tired. And right now in California, we're going through this kind of like heat wave that just is so draining, and for me, it just makes me want to go to sleep all the time. It really, really does. Comment below, first of all, if you are a napper during the day, if you've ever napped during the day. Oh my God, we got to get into it. We got to get into these day nappings, okay? This is a video about productivity, and we're going to get there, ways to be productive, and how to get your productivity back, your motivation back. But before we get to all that, please subscribe and hit that like button. Actually smash that like button. Wake that like button up. Yes, coffee in the afternoon. Oh my God, y'all are getting a little glimpse of my world right now. The napation in the afternoon, the coffeeation, and the sipation. It's 2:41 right now. Yay, 2:41. Okay. I got the gym later. Yeah, this is just what it is on these vlogs right now. I'm really figuring it all out. Okay, so the first thing I want to address about these afternoon naps, and I just want to get your take on this. I don't know if this is just me. I don't think it's just me, because I know that like other friends of mine have also experienced this as well. Do you like not have the craziest dreams like when you're napping in the afternoon? Like full on daymares. Full on, actually not even full on, because I think the creepiest part of these creepy dreams, these daymares, is that they don't finish. Like I didn't actually have one right now, but I have had them, and they're always these like I'm being trapped, or I'm surrounded by people that I don't know who have all infiltrated the system and are now revealing themselves to me that they've been in on it all along, and so I've literally fallen into their booby trap, and so now they have me right where they want me, and it's like, wait a minute, I thought I could trust you. But it's funny, I'm not that articulate in these daymares. I can never really speak too much. I'm always very, oh my God, is this going to turn into that kind of a session right now? Comment below if you want to analyze this daymare. But I'm actually feeling really good right now. I was feeling a little groggy when I woke up. I'm drinking like copious amounts of water right now, because right before my nap, I also had copious amounts of sodium. And I freaking love sodium. Love it. And I'm working on that. I have, I think, in my pantry right now, 4 or 5 different variety of chips, mostly spicy hot, like flamin' hot. Yeah, like, you mean all of that's not good for you? No, it's not. This is breaking news, and I'm working on it. And I think by saying it out loud, I'm not trying to glamorize my sodium addiction right now. I'm really trying to hold myself accountable, because I got to go meet with my personal trainer in about 3 hours. So he will always ask like how many bags of chips I have, or what I ate today, or whatnot. And then he doesn't have to say much, but he keeps me accountable. It's like, he does one of those like I think he's just tired of reminding me that putting good things in your body is a good thing. I know this. I'm trying to break years and years and years of habitual sodium suffocation. Oh God, that sounds terrible. Yeah, just the sodium intake. Oh God, why did I have to take it there? That got dark. Sodium suffocation. But you know what? That's probably my body speaking through me and telling me what it is. and say, we ain't gonna hide this anymore, we're not gonna sugarcoat it anymore. Oh, sugar, that's another, I love sugar. You guys, by the way, I wanna say thank you all. Y'all are heroes for sitting through these streams of consciousness with me. And this is how I am. This is how I am. Friends in my life are like, get to the point. I'm like, there's a whole story. I'm an actor. I gotta live through the story. They're like, just get to the point. Okay. So yeah, I struggle, and I don't know if you guys can relate to this. Maybe you can. This balance of like getting your needs met, of like having to still get the rest that your body needs, but also this need to be productive. Right? And, you know, this guilt of like, did I just waste my day right now because I wasn't productive enough, or I took that nap and I could have been doing something during that time? And my thoughts right now, and I've been on this train before, and I think this is very relevant to me today because as fate would have it, I actually had a callback. Yay! Good news, by the way, everybody. I just got a call back for a feature film that's and I'm auditioning for one of the lead roles, or I auditioned already for one of the lead roles, and it's filming in September. And for those who don't know what a callback is, let me explain it. A callback is like when you audition for a part and they call you back. So think of it like round 2 of an interview. And you should celebrate every single step in the process, because the percentage of actors that actually just get around 1, which is like the audition, to even get your foot in the door, is it's a small percent. They might get 500 submissions for a role and only bring in, like, let's just say maybe 100 of those, 80 to 100 of those for an audition. And then out of those 80 to 100, maybe I would say 20 get called back, maybe 30 get called back. I might be a little bit more conservative with that number. Maybe it's even more conservative than that. So they're going to be seeing me on Friday. And I was supposed to print out the sides, and sides is a term that they use for like my lines. So you have the script, but then you have just the scene that I'll be performing with my character, and those are the sides. Well, like, I thought I was losing my mind right now, because as I made my coffee, by the way, you guys are seeing the reanimation right now of it all. Like, you're seeing my words get, like, I'm in a weird way talking faster, but also like getting a little clearer. Oh my God. Oh, yes, that's what's happening right now. This is good. This is some blonde roast right now, y'all. I'm a coffee guy. I love it so much. I wish I could marry it. Oh, I just made myself laugh. But anyways, I was going through the audition notice, and I realized that the casting director never sent me the sides. Never sent them to me. And in fact, she emailed me saying, hey, I included the sides, but let me know if they actually got attached. Well, they didn't get attached. So I replied, and so I don't know when I'll be getting them. Hopefully she gets back to me today so that I have them for Friday, and today is Wednesday, so at least I have a day to look them over if they get them to me by tonight or tomorrow. But that kind of saved me, because I wanted to go over and run these lines and start doing a real character breakdown. Now that I have like more information that they gave me about the character, sometimes they don't give you very much in the initial audition, but this one they did. This one they're giving me a lot more information, more than before in B-sides, so that I can have some context for the scene. But I actually feel so good right now, because now that error happened, I realize like I'm not missing out on that productivity that, you know, like because I needed the navigation of it all, right? But that doesn't mean I'm still not gonna make a list, right, before I head over to the gym. And so long story short, here's my tip for getting back on that productivity wagon when you feel like you've wasted your day. I've stopped making the list of like 10 to 15 items to do today. And what I am doing now to feel successful is I am breaking that list down to like maybe 1 to 4 items max. And because we are at 2:50 p.m. today, it's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm even gonna condense that in half, right? For example, I gotta go buy Drano today. And if I accomplish that Drano today and just go buy that Drano, I'm done. I can literally wrap a bow on my day and say I'm winning, right? This has been on my list today, to do my daily vlog. So I'm winning today, right? I can do one more item. So let me see. Okay, the Drano, I have not done that yet. The vlogging I'm doing right now, so this is gonna go up tomorrow. I'm so excited. And so you can see right now I'm already 50% there, right? I haven't bought the Drano yet, but I'm already 50% of my goal. And the Drano, I'm like, I can get, when I come home from the gym tonight. And I might add one more thing on my list today. And instead of all of the 10 things, because if I let myself go, I will add 10 things to my list and then I will feel even more unproductive. But I want to feel really, really productive today and make myself successful. So that is my tip for you today. Condense and chop your to-do list in half. Pat yourself on the back for the things that you do, and and don't be afraid to applaud yourself. As my mentor tells me, I do have a coach. I have a spiritual coach and mentor. She always says to me, one small action step is a victory beyond measure, and so that has done wonders for me in my life. Especially like I am a Virgo with that perfectionistic habit. And so it's really allowed me to just be kinder and gentler to myself and really just acknowledge that I'm winning. So I want to acknowledge y'all today. See, my record is skipping. That y'all are winning right now. Acknowledge yourself today for being the productive, amazing person that you are. Because if you got up today, you brushed your teeth, and you got out the door today, you're doing way better than most people, right? Because you made that choice. So I know this was a lot of topics today, but this is what we get. All right. So thank you all for watching. Oh, comment below if this resonated with you. Comment below with your productivity tips, how you stay motivated and productive and get all that you want to accomplish within a day. Comment below, share with our community. And last but not least, do you daymare? Can you relate? Thanks so much, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.